Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely on level ground and the engine is off. You'll need a basic set of hand tools, including various wrenches and a socket set. Always begin by disconnecting the negative battery cable to prevent any electrical shorts or injuries during the repair. Take a moment to visually locate the alternator in your engine bay. Now, let's get that old alternator out. Use a breaker bar or a long ratchet to relieve tension on the serpentine belt tensioner, then carefully remove the belt from the alternator pulley. Next, disconnect the main power wire and any other electrical connectors attached to the alternator. These often have a small clip you'll need to press. Finally, unbolt the alternator from its mounting points. There are typically 2 or 3 bolts holding it in place. With the old unit removed, it's time to install your new alternator. Carefully position the new alternator into its bracket and hand tighten the mounting bolts. Reconnect all electrical wires, ensuring they are secure and properly seated. Then, route the serpentine belt back onto all the pulleys according to the diagram, using your tensioner tool to create slack. Double-check that the belt is correctly aligned in all grooves. After everything is reconnected, reattach the negative battery cable. Start your engine and observe the dashboard. The battery or charging system warning light should now be off. You can also use a multimeter to check the battery voltage. It should read between 13.5 and 15 volts with the engine running. If all looks good, you've successfully replaced your alternator. Remember to check the description below for links to tools, parts, and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.